Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal Francis and this is class 3 in our How to Curate Your Own Personal Makeup Brush set. Let's get started. So this week, I wanted to go over the contour brush. This shape brush is usually labeled contour brush. You can see, that's much better. You can see how the bristles are taller on this end and shorter on this end. And it's kind of shaped like a blush brush, but just taller on one end, kind of angled here. This is the same that's in the Wet n Wild 17-piece essential brush set. This is just a one that came with some cute stuff, but the one in the set is exactly the same as this. So, with a contour brush, an angled blush brush, angled contour brush, whatever your kit may have called it, and I don't mean the Wet n Wild kit, they call it a contour brush, but sometimes this will come in a kit and they'll call it different things. But so you can use it for bronzer here, like so, or turn it for here, okay, or you can pull it up this way. You can also use it for blush. You can pull it up this way. Use it for contour here, like so. Same. You can, a lot of people use this 3 motion for contour to get up under here underneath the jawline. Totally fine. Works here for creating that cleft chin, like I like to do. You can swoop it around here for getting the bottom of the nose and the corners here, the sides that tend to be bulbous. You can pull it along like so. You can also highlight with this brush. You can turn the long bristles down and get just the little bridge here and Rudolph effect there. You can, of course, turn it like this and get your highlight. You can turn it like this and get your highlight. You can also just barely put any highlight here. You can also highlight here. Or again, like the blush brush, you can use it as a blending brush for your eyeshadow. You can use this as a powder brush. You can use this as a powder brush all over the face. Again, this brush and the blush brush that we used last week, let's see, yeah, they are used pretty much interchangeably with different brush sets. They're pretty much labeled the same with different brush sets. So pretty much those are the things. But also, because the contour brush is angled, you can put eyeshadow colors on this end, where it's the long bristles, and you can really get in here and be very particular, like so. See that? You can create that V and that contour and be very particular there. So there's lots of things you can do with these brushes. They're not just for powder, blush, and contour. So thank you guys for attending this week's class, and I will see you next week where we will go over a powder brush. Bye-bye.